To send payments using Zelle, start by ensuring your bank or credit union is a Zelle partner, as this service is only available through participating financial institutions. Once you confirm your bank is a partner, you can proceed to enroll in Zelle through your bank's mobile app or website. The enrollment process typically requires you to provide your mobile number or email address and create a password. This information will be used to identify you as a Zelle user and facilitate transactions. After enrolling, you can access Zelle through your bank's app or the Zelle app itself. To send a payment, open the Zelle app or access it through your bank's app. Then select the option to send money. You will be prompted to enter the recipient's mobile number or email address associated with their Zelle account. It is crucial to ensure you have the correct recipient information to avoid sending payments to the wrong person. Next, enter the amount you wish to send and select the account you want to use for the payment. You will have the option to add a memo or note to the transaction, which can be helpful for tracking the purpose of the payment. After reviewing the transaction details, confirm the payment. The recipient will typically receive the funds within minutes, although processing times may vary depending on the recipient's bank. To check the status of your payment, go to the Activity or Transaction History section within the Zelle app or your bank's app. Here, you can view the status of your payment, which may be pending, processed, or failed. If a payment fails, it is usually due to incorrect recipient information or insufficient funds. Best practices for using Zelle include double-checking recipient information before sending payments, keeping your Zelle account and associated bank account information up to date, and monitoring your account activity regularly to detect any suspicious transactions. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely and efficiently send payments using Zelle, taking advantage of its convenience and speed for personal and business transactions.